Water is essential for human life, wildlife, flora, and ecosystems. But what distinguishes water from drinking water? Water is a general concept. Raw in its natural environment, it can be clean, dirty, salty, polluted, clear, or cloudy, and can contain bacteria, parasites, heavy metals, nitrates, microplastics, or even newly discovered polluting molecules. On the contrary, drinking water is water intended for consumption because it has been monitored and, possibly, treated. Drinking water and sanitation are closely linked by a cycle and are essential in the field of public health. Sanitation refers to all techniques for the disposal and purification of wastewater. We distinguish between domestic wastewater, which comes from households, industrial wastewater, resulting from economic activities, and rainwater, or dripping water. Drinking water and sanitation adhere to strict standards set by various health and political authorities, the World Health Organization at the international level, the European Union through its directives, and then each state transposes them into its own legislation. Access to drinking water and effective sanitation protects health, preserves the environment, and respects a fundamental right. Recognized by the UN since 2010, the right to water and sanitation aims for universal and sustainable access. In 2015, this principle was reaffirmed with the adoption of the 17 Sustainable Development Goals by the United Nations General Assembly, of which goal number 6 addresses access to clean water and sanitation. However, even today, access to this human right is very unequal across the world, due in particular to overexploitation and unequal sharing of the resource, the effects of climate change, population growth, increased domestic consumption, urbanization, intensive agriculture, industry, energy, a lack of governance and infrastructure, and all associated pollution. To overcome these observations, proven solutions exist. Complementary, they are of a technical, operational, strategic, institutional, and legal nature. The OiEau supports a wide variety of actors in their implementation at all scales, from local to transboundary. With the training of more than 6,000 people per year, remotely or in our training center, and through projects such as MARU, for monitoring and evaluating the impact of urban wastewater discharges, Prospero, a financial analysis and forecasting tool for local water and sanitation services, the development of a strategic master plan for the global water cycle for the Valenciennes Métropole community, award for the integration of unconventional water resources into water supply planning, or Life, Water, and Climate, to support local decision-making and climate-adapted water management.